What's up with it, y'all? Welcome back to Kitchen Culture, where we give you recipes and conversations that's for sure gonna feed your soul. Yeah. So I'm your host, Cordarrius Green, AKA Cord in the Kitchen, AKA King of the Counter Slaps. And listen, today, we actually ain't got no ingredients because I don't know what I'm gonna make. So I did poll my Instagram audience to see what they wanted to have for dinner. So let's look at the suggestions real quick. You know what, I like that. All right, so now I know it says turkey chops and greens, but we're gonna do a little twist, right? Yeah, I like that. So we're gonna do chicken thighs and collard greens. We're gonna make 3 different dishes off of this. This is gonna be the base of whatever we make. And y'all, so you can have real good food for the low ski. If you're ready, say ready. Drop ready in the comments, all right? So we about to get started in 3, 2, 1, let's get it.
I do my thing in the kitchen. My name is Cord, I'm for the culture, and I'm here with a vision. We here to talk, chop it up. They say the odds are stacked against us. We ain't seen that bet. And the things we do in kitchens, y'all ain't seen that shit. Yes, Lord, let me talk. Listen, man, we here for a good time, not a long time. Matter of fact, we here for a great time. You know, turned into Kitchen Culture Podcast.
All right, so we're gonna keep this one nice and simple to start off, right? Not too much pressure. So we're gonna do some smothered fried chicken with some sauteed collard greens, all right? So let's hop on into it. All right, so again, we gotta cover 3 different dishes. So we're finna go quick now, so go ahead and hit your chicken with some oil, all right? Get it lathered on down. And we're just gonna go ahead and season this up how you like it. It look like a lot of seasoning, and it is, but we got a lot of meat. Okay. So once you get your chicken seasoned up, go ahead and get that seasoning rubbed around real good. Yeah, your kitchen should be smelling like somebody grandma with the baby fat on the back of their arm house right now. If you know, you know. All right, so look, we got these chicken thighs seasoned up how we need them. So look, go ahead, set them aside in the fridge or whatever. Let's start on these greens real fast. This ain't Thanksgiving dinner, so if you wanna go ahead and get you some bunches of greens and do all that and wash them 5, 6 times, you can. The bad greens is gonna work just fine in this case. But it's up to you. So look, what we're gonna do is hit these greens with a little bit of oil and go ahead and work these. And we're gonna do this for about 30 to 45 seconds, you know, maybe even about a minute. Give these a nice little rub down. Now look, now we got this part out the way. Set them aside real quick. All right, drop these chicken thighs on in. We're gonna get these coated real quick, all right? You know, we done evolved past the grocery bag and things like that. You know what I'm saying? Just because our grannies used to do it. Ugh. We also used to ride horses back in the day too, so. Look, go ahead, shake that off real quick, set that down. All right, then just repeat until you finish with all your thighs. Save your flour, you're gonna need this for later. Okay, check your oil, right? Real quick. Oh, we ready? All right, so bubbles form, we ready. All right, get your chicken. We're gonna let this go and let it get brown on both sides. About like 7 minutes each side. It's not gonna be done all the way. Oh, it's good and crispy. Yay. It's one of my other talents, but yeah, so boom. We go ahead and put this on a wire rack until we finish the rest of these, all right? Again, the chicken is not done. Did I tell you? Again, the chicken is not done at this point. We're just getting a little crust. One thing for sure and 2 things for certain, when you're cooking something smothered, you're gonna need you an onion.
Perfect.
Ooh. Oh, yeah. All right, so let's get it. So look, what you gonna do, cut that thing in half like that. My man of many tricks. So we save some of that grease that we use to fry our chicken, right? And we're gonna work our flour in, cause we're making a gravy. Let's add the onions on in there. Cook this down for about 5 minutes. Go ahead, get that gravy mixed. Get your chickens. Remember, they not done. So boom, set them on in. And get that gravy. Curl this up with some aluminum foil. Wrap this thing up nice and tight like a Christmas present. Into the oven, 375 for about 20 to 30 minutes. All right, greens, let's get it. Shallots, let's go out. And get that collards that we massage. Veggie broth. Season them up however you want to. You know what I mean? Just a little seasoning. We're gonna cover her up on with a lid real quick. Shut her on up. Let this simmer for a few minutes, all right? I don't know if y'all as excited as I am, but we about to get ready to plate everything on up. So we'll be right back. All right, let's go. Ooh, hold on. Look at that. Look at that. Look at. Gotta redistribute that gravy, you know what I'm talking about? Let's take a look at our greens. Ta-da. Yes, Lord. All right, let's plate this thing on up. Ooh. Okay, all right. I just gotta say, ooh, ta-da. Go ahead and get you some of that. Ooh. Well, I know you greedy behind the camera. Come on, man. Come on. All right, so we gotta try this real quick. The meat is nice and tender. Let's move on to the next dish. That's crazy. All right, so before I get carried away, cause all of this, yeah. Y'all in my eating time. But look, Shad, what we making next, bro? All right, man, let's do a fried chicken sandwich with a collard green slaw. Chicken sandwich with a collard green slaw. Oh, hold on. All right, say less. Let's go ahead and get on to it. Let's get it. So we finna make our fried chicken sandwich with a collard green slaw. That sounds crazy, don't it? But let's get it. All right, so hit your boneless, skinless chicken thighs with a little bit of oil. Season your chicken on up. All right, so we're gonna use that flour from that smothered chicken. All right, so let's get it. Make our slaw. Set this aside while we go ahead and fry my chicken. Lay your chicken on there. We're gonna fry this up to golden brown. Oh my God. Your flavor is crazy. I wish I'd have thought of this back in 2019, because I'd have had to enter my chicken sandwich into the chicken sandwich. Well, I'm just saying. Yes, whoa. Now, this next one, I know y'all ain't gonna see this one coming. I know you ain't gonna see this one coming, so drop in the comments what you think it is. I bet nobody guessed it was gonna be collard green fried rice. Collard green chicken fried rice is crazy work. Okay, but let's get it. Look at that chicken right there. Yeah, look at that chicken. Set it aside. And we're gonna cut this into small pieces. And we're gonna work in this same skillet. With all that right there is flavor. Shallots in our rice. Okay, see, I remember them greens from earlier? We're just gonna add them on in. Then we're gonna add us a little bit of jerk seasoning. And would you look at that right there? Ooh. Y'all, let's plate it on. Here's the best part. Yeah, look at that. Would you look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh, now I get that first bite. I see you, come on. All right. Whether you're big back trying to save a little coin or you're just trying to get you something good to eat, I got you right here with one of these 3 meals. For sure. You done made it this far, make sure you go ahead and comment the word finish. And then hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be kept up to date with all the recipes coming your way, alright? But I love y'all. I'll catch y'all on the next episode of Kitchen Culture, y'all.
Yes, Lord, let me talk. You tuned into the Chef Core in the kitchen. We here for a good time, not a long time. Matter of fact, we here for a great time. Yes, Lord, let me talk.